Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim, starting with the greatest name of Allah, who is most merciful and the most gracious. The topic we have chosen for our research is that online classes have jeopardized the career of the pupils of University Law College, Balochistan. The corona has affected through all of the world, and especially the students because of lockdown, and all universities have been off. But due to the shortage of time, we have only limited it to University Law College, and we have conducted our research within University Law College. And the team members, which were supervised by Sir Shah Mohammad Zarkun, and the other team members are Asadullah, Azhar Ahmad, Faisal Munir, and Aurangzeb. Title of the study. Title of the study shows that what is the topic and how it has jeopardized the career of the students. तो इसके लिए the title of research is online classes has jeopardized the career of students of Balochistan. The research we have conducted within the premises of University Law College, Quetta, Balochistan, for making it limited to only those areas where the students are facing difficulties while dealing with online classes. As you all know that Balochistan is being a poor province of Pakistan, and the people living in Balochistan are also very poor, and they face much difficulty in such situations. Through this research, it is objected to make the public and government aware of the problems which are being faced by most of the students of remote areas. It's only limited to the remote students of remote areas of Balochistan. Through this research, we are trying to specify some major issues that ought to be taught. So the next slide is that what are those problems which are faced by the students during taking the online classes. There are a plethora of problems for the students to take online classes, but we have mentioned three specific problems for this reason. Number one is poverty in Balochistan, because people living in Balochistan are much poor and the poverty has affected their life too much. That is why the first one is poverty in Balochistan. The second one is middle class is deprived of quality internet. There are some districts in Balochistan where internet is banned, or the people cannot afford that internet, and those are deprived by quality internet, and they cannot come to the point where they can attend the online classes. Number third is electricity shortage, and there is electricity shortage throughout Pakistan, but compared to other provinces of Pakistan, Balochistan is much deprived of electricity, and there is a big shortage of electricity, and there is also limited the students to be prevented from the online classes. These are some pictures that are showing that the poor condition of Balochistan and how much is miserable. The next slide is about the discussion with the students. We have discussed with many students within the University Law College, and the data collected from the pupils of University Law College belonging from various areas where they face serious setbacks. The problems are numberless. There are a huge number of problems, but highlighting few of them were consecutively selected. The result showed that about 80% of the pupils did not afford the internet, and 70% of the pupils suffering from the areas where internet is banned. Percentage of inaccessibility to internet is 52%, and 62% of the pupils believe that they can pass a course on internet without the assistance of a teacher. A huge figure of pupils of about 94% prefer regular classes because they do not have any facility to access the online classes. The chart shown as below. This is the chart that is showing the percentage of the research we have conducted in the law college. The next one is research design and methodology. For this purpose, for this research, we have selected the questionnaire method, and in this research We conducted 50 questionnaires and we asked and we asked 15 questions from 50 students, and the data was collected accordingly. To conclude, as expressed from the results, that the online classes has jeopardized the career of pupils of Balochistan because of various factors, which are affordability to get online classes, expensive means to get the desired facility. Internet is banned in some areas, which have worsened the situation. Pupils believe that internet is better than a teacher. Mostly the pupils in Balochistan prefer regular classes than online classes. Because for the keeping in view the all above mentioned problem, it is not possible for them to get the online classes. It was our research, and the main importance of our research were that we tried to mention the problems which are being faced by the students, because nowadays transport is banned and everything is everywhere is locked down, and the students cannot come to their institution to take classes. And in many places of the world, and especially in Pakistan, the authorities and the institutions have uh, gone to online classes. But we have mentioned that how these students can be bring out and they can be facilitated to take the online classes. This is all my presentation. Thank you.
Right. Good.